Okay, I'm just working out a plan to do the final head bolt torquing. The technical manual states the engine needs to be above 170 degrees when you do that, so you have to let the vehicle run, get to operating temperature, shut it off, and then quickly retorque all the head bolts. But to get access to all of them, I'm going to have to pull the injectors off, because even my tool that's kind of made for this doesn't reach with the injectors on and all these lines in the way. I think with pulling the injectors off, hopefully the lines will have enough flex to get out of the way. The injectors themselves are in the way too. So my plan is to do just one head at a time and then put it back together, restart the engine, and then stop and do the other head. So I'm getting all the tools ready. So the first thing will be to crack these nuts loose, back them out all the way, and then pull the injector lines out. And then I'm going to probably remove one of these nuts, 7/16 wrench, and probably this one, and pull all three injectors out as a group. So I'll have to pull these 1/2-inch bolts out. And then I'm going to only have the valve cover on with a couple bolts just so I can remove it faster. Then I'll pull the valve cover off. So to get access to these bolts under the rocker arm, I'll have to pull this assembly off with these 6 9/16 bolts. And once I get that off, then I'm ready to start doing the final torque. And hopefully I can do that before the engine cools off too much. I just started the engine. I'm warming it up to do the final head bolt torque. Got the FLIR camera.